Okay, so this is a tutorial on how we can create interactive presentations for preschool children. I'm going to create a presentation which will have 3 letters A, B and C, and the child will have to select each one of those letters, and then the program will be able to tell them whether they've selected the right alphabet or the wrong one. So this is PowerPoint. This is the main interface of PowerPoint. We're at the home button. Here you can see all these icons. They are related to the home screen, where you can insert new slides and you can insert shapes. Next to home button is the insert button. When you click on it, the menu changes and you can see all these different icons related to shapes, inserting pictures. For this tutorial, we're just going to focus on inserting pictures and text boxes and links. And to insert a link, you can just click insert, and there should be an option over here. It's not highlighted because I've not selected anything, but we'll come to this later. Alright, so in this activity, this is about identification of 3 letters A, B and C. So the first thing I need to do is get those letters. So I'll write A. I'm going to reduce the size of this text box but increase the font size. So I have a big A, and to ensure that the size is consistent, I will just copy paste this text. Control C copy, Control V paste, and Control V another paste. And I'm going to name it B, and this will be C. So I've got 3 letters, and I'm going to type the question over here. Select the letter A, and I'm going to resize it, and I'll just push it to the top. Okay, so now I've got the 3 letters. I'm going to do the alignments. Select all of them and arrange, align top, and then I want them to be distributed evenly. So distribute horizontally. So now the spacing between them is constant. I want to move them in the center of the screen, because that's the center of the screen. That's where students focus when they're looking at the screen. So now we've got the letters, and now I want to insert the feedback slides. So right or wrong. So I'm going to insert a new slide. I want to insert a picture in it. So I'll get rid of these boxes and insert an image. I've saved images in a folder. This is the correct image that I want to use. And in another slide, I'm just going to delete these again and insert pictures and try again slide. Okay, I'll just move them a bit to the top so that I've got some space to insert a button. Now this button will take me to the next question, because this is the right answer. So I'll insert a rectangle. I've inserted it from the shapes over here. I want to color it red, so I double click on it and shape fill to red. And similarly, I'll just copy, Control C copy, and paste the same button on the next slide. And this is try again, and this is yes. Okay, so I'm going to color these images, these text boxes. I want to give them next red color. And next I'm going to create links. Now this is important, links. So I'm going to create a link between this letter and the second slide, so that when the student clicks on A, it will take them to the correct strawberry. So I select the box and I go and insert, and now you will see the link is highlighted. So I select the little arrow underneath, insert link, and here he's asking me, where do you want to place the link? So I want to place it in this document and on slide 2. So there it goes. So it's changed its color. I'll do the same with this slide. Click, insert link, slide 3, because this is the wrong answer. And similarly over here, insert link and to the wrong slide. Alright. So I'm not sure why it's adding an underline on the first link but not on the second and the third links. So I think I'll just go forward and delete this, and I'll just click on this link, copy it and paste it again, and I'll just bring it over here. Select A, and I'm going to change its link. So I'll right click on the edge of the box, right click, and I get the edit link option. So I go and edit link, and I'll just choose slide 2 so that it goes to the correct slide. So now I've got A, B and C, and they're all linked to the correct and the incorrect slides. So let's go on this slide. If it selects yes, then I want it to go on to the next question, but if it says try again, I want it to go back onto the first question. So So I right click this button, I link it to the first slide, slide 1, and I click OK. Alright, now let's try it out. So I've got the show. I select A, it will lead me to the correct answer. Okay, I want to now restart the show and let's try the wrong answer. Oops. Go on first slide and slide show. So select the letter A, I click B, try again, C, try again. Okay, and this will just keep going on endlessly. Okay, I'm going to skip this. Now, if the user selects yes, then I want it to go to the next question. So let's create another question. So I'm going to just copy the slide, copy, and I'm going to right click over here, and there should be, I'm just going to create Control V, that's the shortcut for pasting. So now I'm going to change the question a little bit. I want 3 pictures of an alligator, bat, and a cow. I press the control button and I can select them all at once. Insert. I've got all these pictures now. I'm going to resize them. So a bit smaller, crocodile, bat, and cow. Okay, and select the animal with letter B, or maybe letter A, better than letter A's. So when somebody selects A, alligator, I want it to go onto the correct slide, and if a bat or a cow is selected, then an incorrect slide. So I'm going to create 2 more slides. So I'm going to copy the previous correct and incorrect slides, copy, and then I'm going to select the last slide and Control V, which is paste. So now these both slides are pasted. And again, I'm going to create the links. So if he selects the alligator, it should go to the link, this slide, yes. And if he selects the bat, it needs to go onto the slide 6, no. And again, link slide 6, no. Okay. And I want to connect this slide, the first correct slide to the next question. So this yes needs to be linked to this question. This is question 2, right? So just for the sake of ease of navigation, I'm going to create a circle, and I'm going to, inside it, I'm going to type question 1. Suppose it's in here, I double click, make it uniform with the theme, and the outline to be as well. So this is question 1. I copy this and I Control V, paste it. It gets pasted at the same point. This is question 2. Okay. Now let's run this show. So on page 1, click show. So B, try again. C, try again. A, yes. So I click yes, it goes to question 2. Select the animal with letter A, bat, try again. Oops, it took me on question 1. I need to change the links. I forgot to change these links. So I go back here. If somebody selects the letter bat, it should go onto the letter, this was the slide. When you click try again, it should go back to question 2. So I click edit link and take it to question 2. Alright. And now I think it's all good. Let's try again. So I select the letter B, try again, C, try again, A, bingo. Yes, question 2. Bat, try again, cow, try again, alligator, yes. So I need to connect another slide with the letter C and or letter B or whatever question you want. So basically this is how you create interactive slides using Microsoft PowerPoint, and it gets even better if you insert sound into these presentations. So in order to insert sounds, let's quickly add those. I click on the insert button, click on audio and record audio, and I name it 1, and I click the record button. Select the letter A, okay, and I drag this over here. I can change the properties of this slide. So if I double click on this icon, so it asks me about all these different options. I can change its color. I can, let's make it, you can change it to all the different themes, more variations. I want to make it red. You can make it a reddish theme, but because it's transparent, so I'll just leave it as it is. But there's one thing that I wanted to change, and that is the playback. I want it to play automatically, the sound. So I click on the playback, and here you will see this option, start automatically. Now when this presentation starts, the audio will play by itself. Okay, yes. I insert another audio, record audio. This is yes. Yes, you got that right. Stop. Okay. I got it here. Okay. Insert audio, record audio. Try again. Try again. Okay. And insert audio, record audio. This is letter 2. Question 2. Select the animal with the letter A. Okay. The audio, I'll place it at the corner. And what I can do is just copy this sound and paste the yes over here. Control B, and the no from the previous show, Control C. Copy and paste it over here. And I just want to make sure that they're all played automatically. So I click on each icon, click the playback button, and click automatically. Playback automatically. Select playback automatically. Select playback automatically. And select playback automatically. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to save this as a presentation. Save as, browse, and I'm going to just save it as a presentation 1. So I'll just call it let's name it alphabet recognition, and I hit save. And I want to save it as a PowerPoint show, so that when the student opens it, it doesn't open in this editing mode of PowerPoint. So I save as, browse, and I save it as a PowerPoint show. Here, PowerPoint show, alphabet recognition, and hit save. Now let's see. Select the letter A. Okay. Try again. Okay. Yes, you got that right. Okay. Select the animal with the letter A. Try again. Okay. Yes, you got that right. So this is how you can create interactive slides using PowerPoint. They are more engaging, they promote active learning, experiential learning. Students enjoy these more, and I think they're a great way of getting students hooked up with e-learning. Thank you.